In this scenario, we are looking at propane storage tanks where a fire has been extinguished and the area is safe to enter. Let's go through the steps of resetting an electric deluge system equipped with an F1 deluge valve. Let's start by closing the water supply control valve. While this isn't required, we are going to silence the alarm panel. Press the silence button on the VFR 500 release control panel. Now you'll need to drain down the system. Start by opening the main drain, followed by the auxiliary drain. Finally, let's open the flow test valve and then wait for the system to drain. Once all the water has drained from the system, you can close both drains. Let's start by closing the main drain, followed by the auxiliary drain. Then let's partially close the flow test valve. We need to leave the flow test valve partially open for when we reintroduce water back into the system. Before reintroducing priming water, you will need to repair or replace any detection devices that have been damaged. Now the release control panel can be reset. Resetting the release control panel will take power away from the solenoid valve, allowing it to return to its normally closed position. This means prime water pressure will start to be re-established in the priming chamber. While this isn't required, we are going to silence the alarm panel. Press the silence button on the VFR 500 release control panel. Once water pressure has been re-established in the priming chamber, slightly open the water supply control valve and begin reintroducing water into the system. Once flow has been established, close the flow test valve completely. Now fully open the water supply control valve. After the system water pressure is restored, any alarm panels that were activated will need to be reset to clear any active alarms. Excellent! The system has been placed back in service.